the Git Client Installation. Here in the Git website, git-scm.com, we can get the application. I'm using a Windows, so that is what I'm gonna get. But if you're using a Mac, you can click Mac build. So I'm gonna go for Windows. Download for Windows. Click here to download the latest 2.38.1 64-bit version. Yeah, this is the one I'm gonna get. Okay, so it's charging. And going to the Git website, we have documentation. You can read the documentation. We have reference, book, a bunch of videos, external links. Yeah, Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Git is easy to learn and has a tiny footprint with lightning fast performance. Okay, the application is ready, so we click it.